Okay, it's Sunday the 12th, and it's like 5 p.m. We've been sleeping all day. What on earth are we gonna make a vlog about? Let me check the comments section. Oh, here's something. Hey, Lindsay. Hey, Lindsay.
Yeah?
Do you want to make a cooking show today?
Yes.
Okay.
I've been cooking for almost as long as I can remember. And it's the #1 thing that I do in my life for pure enjoyment. When Wyatt and I started traveling full-time, one of my biggest concerns was not being able to cook anymore. And not being able to cook with all the supplies that I like to have, that we had at home. However, I found in the last 15 months of full-time travel that either we stay in a place with a kitchen that has enough supplies that I can cook what I want, or it doesn't. And then I get to be creative. So either way is really a win, because there's nothing that allows you to be creative more than limitations. Another thing I've learned from all this travel is that it's always best to try to cook the local cuisine. And that's because the ingredients will always be available, they'll always be fresh, and they'll be more affordable to purchase. So today, since we're in incredible Chiang Mai, Thailand, I'm going to cook a Thai curry. The first step is to cook some rice in the rice cooker. So this is the bottom of a salad spinner, and this is a bag of jasmine rice. Wyatt, can you help me and get out some carrots, onions, peppers, ginger, eggplant, tofu, and greens?
Yeah, no worries.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is fry the tofu until it's crispy, and while that's cooking, I'll prep the rest of the vegetables. So like many things, Thai curry, I believe, typically comes with meat, but of course, we're gonna do tofu and ours to replace it. Bear, will you wash these for me?
Yeah. I don't know if I can snap my fingers for that one.
So this meal is actually really inspired by the first dinner that we ate in Bangkok.
Okay, we got more food now. We each got an order of rice and a variation on curry. Mine's green curry.
We went to a small little restaurant near our hotel, and it was just a super basic, simple, like lawn furniture restaurant. And the first night I ordered a green curry that was way too spicy. I was basically dying the whole time I was eating it. But the next night we went back to the same restaurant and I had a Penang curry instead. And that one was less spicy, more creamy, and just all around like a better flavor profile for me. So that's where this curry is inspired from. But this isn't exactly Penang curry, it's very similar, but what I bought at the store was just red curry paste. So our little tofu cubes have been fried until they're crispy on the outside, and now I'm just gonna put them aside until the end. Now at this point, I'm gonna go in the same wok with our long cooked vegetables. Yellow peppers, green peppers, onions, ginger. The last vegetable that we need to prep is in here. And this is such a cute little package we got at the market yesterday. My greens wrapped in a banana leaf, so they don't use any plastic, which I think is like the cutest thing. Now I'm not actually sure what these are or what they're called. It's kind of like bok choy, but not exactly the same.
Yeah, it's like bok choy if bok choy had a baby with lettuce.
So now that these veggies have been cooking for a little while, I'm gonna put in the peppers, onions, and ginger. So while the veggies are cooking, I'm gonna gather the stuff for the actual curry sauce. So our sauce is gonna be made of coconut milk, a little bit of peanut butter, and this curry paste. And this is a great example of why cooking local makes the most amount of sense. I went into the grocery store and there was like 200 different options of packets of curry paste. Every flavor, every spice level, everything you can imagine, and it all costs less than $1 per packet. Inside of the curry paste, there is chili, lemongrass, garlic, salt, galangal, which is sort of like ginger or turmeric, shallot, kaffir lime peel, and a little tiny bit of cumin. So I'm just putting in the greens as the last vegetable. Curry is almost done. Now we just need to add in the curry paste, a spoonful of peanut butter, and some coconut milk. So all we have to do now is cook this until the sauce is evenly mixed and serve over rice. So the very, very last step is to mix in our little tofu cubes. Wow, it smells so good.
This is day 15 or 16 of daily vlogs. So we're about halfway through our 30-day challenge. We have been making our daily vlog and also shooting stop motion films for Global Groove Life while here in Chiang Mai. A lot of pressure, but I've really been enjoying. One thing that I noticed is I'm just spending all of my time engaged the last couple days with life, which just really feels good. I don't even know if I'm gonna use any of that.
No, I liked it actually. It's good. It's good to be candid and open and like update people.
All right, cool.
It's good.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, one of my favorite things about this apartment is this right here. The incredible sunsets we get while we eat our dinner. We're gonna go up this mountain tomorrow, and there's a temple up there that we're gonna visit.
That's how you make Thai curry. And hopefully you like spicy food if you're making Thai curry. You guys should let me know in the comments if you try this recipe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Press the playlist on screen right now to watch all of our travel vlogs from the very beginning.